I'm Granny Green Thumb, and today I'm going to show you 3 quick garden hacks. The first one is to use recyclables. Now, I'm going to show you 3 things that I recycle in my garden. You're going to find tons that you can. First, I always save the little pot that this had like a little chrysanthemum or something in it. I save it, and then next year when I'm starting my seeds and I need them to grow in something a little bigger, I reuse this little pot over and over again. Second one, this is a sanitizing wipe container. It's got the little flip up lid. You can put so many things in here in your garden. I use it for my tomato clips, and they're easy. They come right out. And then I've got a lid to keep them dry, and they didn't go into the landfill or into some weird recycling place. So 2 things. The third one is my favorite. This has the laundry pods in it, and so it has a lid that's you have to twist it to the right place to open it, but we keep this out in the garden. It's zip tied to the fence, and inside we keep some pruners and some little snippers and anything that you might need. You could put some gloves in there, things that you might say, oh, I'm out in the garden, I wish I had that, I don't want to have to go back to the shed or the garage. And it's right there in our garden all the time, safe from the weather. Okay, let's go up to the deck and look at some other ones. Okay, our next garden hack is this one right here. It's actually a recycle too, but it's so cool that it needs its own category. This right here is a hose cut off that you would attach your washing machine to the water source with. So we took this off, cut it a little short for me because this is for watering the deck. See, without this, too hard to water your plants. So, but when you put this on, it works perfectly. I still have control of it, and it just works great. This is a Grandpa Green Thumb hack. I should have said that at the beginning. Give him credit. Most of the hacks are his, I got to admit. All right, so we're out in the garden, and I'm using the same thing, except for it's a much longer hose. We didn't cut it off so short. It's got a bamboo stick taped to it to help it have some stability, and this is Grandpa Green Thumb made it for me, yes. So that I could just kind of stand here and water the plants and have control. The stick really helps. You can see it's one of my favorite hacks. It works really good all over the garden if I need to give a little extra water. And I don't have to worry about spraying the leaves too much or anything. It helps the squash and the cucumbers a lot because they have big leaves and they get droopy, so I want to go in and water them. But I don't really want their leaves to get wet because they get powdery mildew. So with this, I can get the water down to the roots and get them nice and happy without getting the leaves wet. So my last garden hack is also from Grandpa Green Thumb. On those really hot days when you want to go in, but you've got to stay out and work, you drench your hat. And this is what you do. I'm going to put it down on the ground. I'm going to use this, and I just water my hat just like this. And there is a scientific reason why this works, but I'm just going to tell you it works. It's like having an air conditioner on your head. Shake off the big stuff, and I can work, if I do this, I can work an extra hour in comfort with my drenched hat. If you have any questions or comments, you can say things. Email me at askgrannygreenthumb@gmail.com. And if you have any great garden hacks, let me know so that I can put them into a video and use them in my garden. I always need good ideas. Well, happy gardening, stay cool, stay moist, and have a great day.